Hey guys, welcome back to Home Science. So today we are making a card float with water. So you just take a water bottle with a bit of water. I prefer cold water. I'll tell you a bit later. And then you take a card. Doesn't matter which card, but I prefer to use waterproof cards. You can get them at like Walmart and online, and yeah. So you take the card, or you could also use cardboard. Take it and you could flip it over, but make sure the card is still flat, and then it floats. The card just floats, no strings, absolutely nothing. Okay, so I'll tell you why this happens. So when you take the water bottle, you only put a little bit of water, and you use cold water. I don't know why, but cold water works the best. And you could take a card. Yeah, this is just a waterproof card. I got it at Walmart. Yeah, that's my brother. It's made out of plastic, which makes it waterproof. So yeah, and then you just take the card, and when you do this, when you flip the water bottle upside down, the water goes to the bottom, and that's why you only use a little bit of water. And then all of the air rises to the top, which makes suction. So you could do this, and that's how you make a card float with water with a water bottle. Bye.